Did you know that you could take a live photo within your camera roll and turn it into a boomerang on Instagram? There's a really cool way to customize your tagged photos. Instagram also created a recently deleted album in the case of your account being hacked and content being deleted. Let's talk about all of that and then some. What's up everyone, it's Modern Millie. Welcome back to my channel where I post videos every Wednesday teaching the latest strategies and trends on social media to help you grow your brand. So give a little love tap on that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest tips and tricks that I have for you. First, I want to say a huge thank you to this video's shoutouts. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for all of you. So if you want to shout out in one of my future videos, screenshot yourself watching this video and tag me on Instagram stories, or leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. As always, timestamps will be in the comments down below because I value your time and you already know why you're here. So let's get into it. Last year, I posted my 10 Instagram hacks you didn't know existed video, which included how to get the swipe up feature without having 10K followers. So click that if you want to see it, because most of you guys loved it, and that's why I want to continue this series. While some of these are hacks, some of them are also just features that you might not know existed on the app. It's a mixture of hacks, features, all the funness. The first hack we're going to go into is turning a live photo from your camera roll into a boomerang on Instagram stories. Let's go in. So I am going to go to my stories, and on the bottom left-hand corner, you see like the gallery. I'm gonna go to gallery, go to my favorites because I already favorited one. And I'm going to use this as an example. As you can see in like the top left-hand corner of this photo, it has that live icon, so you know this is a live photo. Now that it's in the Instagram app, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and hold on the photo, and it's going to turn into a boomerang. Watch. Hey, hey, that's cool. That's a good one. I didn't test that one before. It ended up looking good. And then, as you guys know, or maybe you don't know, you can edit boomerangs. So up top, you see the boomerang symbol, like the infinity symbol. You can click on that, and there's different types of boomerangs that you can have. So you have the slow-mo, a hair flip. You have the echo, and then you have duo. I think that's something that I talked about in my previous 10 hacks video. So yes, you can edit boomerangs that way. And this is fun to like zoom in, play around with it, all the fun stuff. So that is the first hack. The next hack is also an Instagram stories hack. You may have seen people talking on their stories and you see text pop up as they're talking. And that is a third-party app called Thread, which connects to Instagram. So this is what the app looks like. There we go. I'm gonna do the makeup brush, shows the different filters. So I'm just gonna do this filter and then I will show you an example. Hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing day. I'm filming my YouTube video on 10 hacks you should know about Instagram. It's transcribing my audio and boom, there you go. The text pops up. If they mess up the text while you're talking, you can tap on the text and edit the words. So you could tap on a word to edit it. But yeah, that's how you can edit the text in case it gets a word wrong. When you go to share, you can post it directly to your Instagram story from this app. So they are connected. Before we get into the next hack, I wouldn't be able to make these fun tips and tricks videos for all of you guys full time without amazing sponsors like AppSumo. You guys, AppSumo, pretty cool. As an entrepreneur myself, I'm constantly looking for the best softwares to keep my business organized, optimize my emails, SEO, and just like overall business strategies. So that's exactly why I am excited to tell you about this video sponsor, AppSumo. AppSumo is the #1 software deal site. So they show you daily deals for all products and tools that can help for your business in one place. So they're an online marketplace made by entrepreneurs for entrepreneurs. I've been using them for the past few months now since pursuing my entrepreneur journey, and I just love what they have going on there. Just love it. Looking on their website, you can see that they have discounts on products that will help you like strategize your content, live stream to all your favorite platforms, create visual content that will excite your audience, and so much more. Signing up is free. Yes, you heard me correctly, it's free, only takes 20 seconds, and my subscribers will get an extra 10% off any of the deals that you see listed on their website. So if you're an entrepreneur, influencer, or somebody who is simply running your own side hustle, this is going to be the best place to find deals on softwares that might end up being the best for your business. Once you sign up, let me know in the comments down below and what products you see and are currently checking out. The next hack I'm going to show you guys, it's kind of a recent feature that was rolled out on Instagram. It's using the align tool for Reels and making sure that you get those like seamless transitions on Instagram Reels. So I'm going to go to Reels right now. Reels, there we go. So say I'm record a section like this, you see what I'm doing, and I want to do like a transition, change clothes. Before I record the next section, on the very bottom right here, this little guy, boop, 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 you're going to click on that, and you could align to make sure everything is lined up correctly. It looks very, oh, that's good, cool. So that's my face. So it helps you align so your transitions are a little bit more seamless, helps the camera line up correctly, and ready? Blah, I don't know. Okay, that's a feature that you can use to help you with those transitions on Reels and making sure your camera is in good alignment. The next hack, which I think I have mentioned in one of my story related videos, is how to animate text within Instagram. I wanted to include this because on Reels, it seems to be this like big thing people are just now figuring out. They're like, oh my gosh, you can make the text move on Instagram. And I'm like, did you watch my video from like 6 months ago? Anyway, I wanted to include this because I guess some people still don't know about this, and that is animated text. So I am going to write, hello, how are you? Here on my story, and up top, this is only available with some accounts, which maybe that's why people are just now freaking out because they just got access to it. So there is the A with the little stars, which will change like the background and the banners of each text option, and then next to it you have the A with the 2 lines, and those 2 lines, it's like motion, you know. So this is going to animate the text. So I changed the background so we could see these animations a little bit easier. Let's do no banners. You have that option. You have this option. You have, that one's not very fun. This is a good one. Oh yeah, typewriter, heck yes. The transition up, ooh, dancing letters. Just quick and appear and type. So there's 2 like typing ones. So that is how you animate text. Apparently people didn't know it existed. I explained it in an old video, but it's there. It's a thing. Surprise! Okay, while we are on the stories topic, I don't know if this is another hack or another feature that some people don't know exist, and it is making sure your stories are saving to an archive, which has been really helpful for me and my account, so I'm gonna show you how to set that up. Okay, so you can get there from a few different places, but I'm just in the like regular camera to record a story. In the top left, there's a settings, and then click on stories. And then at the bottom, you have the saving section. So there's save to camera roll, save story to archive, save live to archive. So anytime I post a story, it'll automatically save to my camera roll, which is that first knob, I guess, slider. Another one is save story to archive, which automatically saves photos and videos in your archive so you don't have to save them onto your phone. Only you can see them after they disappear from your story. And then saving the live to your archive, which is automatically save your live video in your archive so you don't have to save them on your phone. Only you can see them after your live ends. Live videos are only archived for 30 days. So lives have that limit of 30 days, but story archives save for forever, basically. Let me show you what this looks like and why this has been like beneficial for my account. So for example, when I go to my archive, up top, if you know, there's different archives here, so you could do your live archive, post archive, stories archive. I'm going to my stories archive, and I always, when I'm looking for a specific story, I will organize it with the middle option, which is the calendar option. And this is all of the stories that I've posted ever since for forever. So it saves all of these stories. This was especially handy just yesterday when I was going to pitch to a brand that I had partnered with twice before, one in 2019, one in 2020, and now pitching to them for 2021. And I was able to go back to when I did story posts for them and show them, resave them, and be like, hey, this is the content that I've made for you before. How awesome is that? And just like fun reminiscing type things. Instagram will often show you like, hey, this is a post that you did on your stories from 2 years ago. And then kind of like Facebook will be like, this is a memory from 5 years ago. Instagram does that for you too when you have your stories archive on. Yeah, so you can organize it by location, but it'll only show the stories where you added the location tag. The next hack is for anybody who has a creator or a business account, and that is saved replies. This is similar to a text shortcut on the iPhone, like creating those text shortcuts, but they have that available within the Instagram app. So from your profile, you can go to the 3 lines in the top, and then settings, then you go to creator, and then you go to saved replies. An example is if people are constantly messaging me on Instagram like, oh, how are you growing on Instagram? How do I do reels? I can create a shortcut so that I can automatically send them a link. So let me do one, how to grow on Instagram 2021, share, copy link, grow IG is going to be the shortcut, and then the message is going to be the link. So I'll save. And then when I go to message somebody, let's message John, and I say grow IG, you see this little blue comment icon up here, and the blue comment icon, when I click on that, it'll automatically insert my saved reply. I think this is a really great option for, yes, creators and businesses, but even if you're selling products and somebody's like, OMG, where is that from? Or how can I get those earrings? You know, you can have automatic saved replies for like gold earrings. And then anytime you type gold earrings, it's your affiliate link or it's your business website link. For me, I could do my Patreon and then quickly link that, or I can do my products like my 100 plus captions templates product. I could do that and then quick do like 100 plus is the shortcut, and then it automatically sends that link to that product. So it's just a really cool feature that I think will be really helpful for some. This next hack might be my favorite one because I was mind blown when I found it out, and it was very helpful for me. I don't know if it's gonna be helpful for everybody, but it was really helpful for me. So it involves tagged photos. When you go to your tagged photos, you know, sometimes you'll get random tags and you're like, who the, what? Like, why'd you tag me on that? That I'm not, huh? That was happening to me a lot. So there's actually a feature where you can like restrict certain tags. I will show you. So I'm just gonna go to one of my recently tagged photos. In the top right, you see edit. Edit, what is that? So the tag controls, I turned on manually approve tags, which means anybody who tags me in a post, it'll put that post into a pending tags section. So I can go to pending tags, which apparently I have 56 pending tags, and I can go through these and approve or not approve these tags. So obviously I really want to approve this one. That's me and John. And I'll approve this one because I'm in it. So I'll add those two to profile. And now those two will be on my profile and I don't have to have any other random content in my tagged photos. That was just a really cool one I was very excited about. All right. I have another fun one that maybe it's not the most helpful, but it's cool. It is going to your saved section. So when you go to save, you know how you have a bunch of different like albums or folders that are saved? You can actually edit the covers for all of these. So it doesn't have to be like randomness. For example, this part of my saved albums, there's this travel to album and there's like the white lines, the white banners on it. Don't want that. So I'm going to go to travel to and the top corner, the 3 dots, and edit the collection. Then I could change the cover and select any other photo like that one. Ooh, yeah. And it changed the cover. Love that. So now you can make your saved folders more cohesive, pretty. I don't know if that's something you like to do, you can do it. Just wanted to show you because I didn't know existed. Another feature that I just discovered, which I don't know why it took me so long to discover this, and I'm going to be using very, very soon, is within your inbox. In the search bar up top, there's those 3 lines where you could filter things. So I'm gonna click on those 3 lines and I can filter it by unread messages. So I don't have to scroll and find all of my unread messages that I haven't replied to. I could just click there, unread, and this is everybody that I haven't replied. Oh Lord. This is everybody that I haven't replied to, and I need to reply to it. What's helpful or what's really great about this is like after you reply to one, it disappears. So you can stay in this filter, keep replying, disappearing, and lessening that those results. Okay, kind of going along the lines with like saving stories to your archive, there are other things that Instagram keeps track of. For example, your recently deleted posts or photos you've recently liked. Instagram keeps track of all of that stuff and you can see it. So let's see how you can see it. Let's go to the 3 dots in the top right, and then we will go to settings. Okay, and then you'll go to account, and at the bottom, you'll see posts you've liked and recently deleted content. So you can go to the post you liked and see all of the stuff that you've recently liked. If you're like, oh yeah, there was a caption that had this, like what did it say again? If you liked it, you can go and check. So not only can you save posts and organize them in albums, but if you didn't get the chance to save it, but you liked it and you want to keep track of it, you could go back there. And recently deleted. I don't have anything recently deleted because I haven't deleted anything, but basically it says when you delete posts, stories, IGTV videos, and reels, they'll show up here. Only you can see them. Permanently deleted after 30 days. After that, you won't be able to restore them. So this was a feature that Instagram created in the case of somebody getting their profile hacked. They said that that had happened a few times where somebody's account would be hacked and the hacker would delete all of their posts and nothing was saved. So Instagram wanted to have that leeway and that cushion for if somebody were to get access back into their account, they can go and restore those photos. Now, there is a hack that I intentionally have not taught, and that is how to specifically see which hashtags are promoting and giving you the best results. That's because this hack is one that I don't know if I agree with the method for how to figure this out. And I'm not going to show you because I don't do it. But basically, if you have a post that's been up for a little bit, you can promote the post within the Instagram app, promote it, and then delete the promotion right away. Like do like $1 or something. I don't know what the minimum is. Delete the promotion right away, and it'll give you the results for how your hashtags are performing. It does work, but I would be cautious doing that. Doing that too many times can like send a red flag to Instagram. They're like, hey, this account's being weird. They're buying promotions and then deleting them. And so I just think it's fishy behavior to do on Instagram, but it is something that exists out there. I'm not like oblivious to it. I wouldn't personally do it. I haven't personally done it, but because this is a hacks video and I'm talking to you guys about like all these hacks that you don't know, that is one. If you wanted to try it out, go for it. If you've made it this far and you're not already subscribed to my channel, tap that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss when I post my videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Follow your joy. Bye.